Hello everybody, it's your boy Fertlance. Welcome back to another video of mine. Now this is just a bit of a home improvement type of thing if you guys don't want to go out and spend tons of money. So one of the toilets in my house stopped working, like it wouldn't fill the water. I have shut the water off right now, but basically this whole setup, it's a fill valve for your toilet which has stopped doing its job. So even when the floor comes down, it doesn't fill water. And so we're going to change it. So right now the water is empty. I have drained it, shut off the valve from the side of the toilet, and yeah, we're just gonna replace it. I'm gonna make a short video just to kind of see if we can help people out. So this is the product that I got. Now in Canada, this Fluid Master is for $16-17. Not really that expensive if you think about it. This is the 400A series, which is the same as the one that I have, and we're just gonna replace it and we'll go from there. I'm just gonna try and do it with one hand. Oh, it's really tough. Okay, yeah, so this is what the new one looks like. We don't need, I'm gonna try and show you this bottom part. Like this bottom part with the red valve, we're gonna remove, and this is just the top part that we need. So we're just gonna remove and see if we can do this. Might be hard for me to do with one hand, but I'll do my best to record the whole thing. Okay, so with the bottom part removed, here's what the valve looks like. This is the seal, this little clear plastic thingy. So we're gonna remove the old valve and then go from there. So first we need to unplug this pipe. There is a clip. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's done, and we simply just pull it out. There we go, the old valve, which is broken, so I'm gonna throw that away. And as you guys can as you guys can see, we don't need the pipe, the new one, because the old one is still fine, so we're gonna keep that. Here's the new pump, and we're just gonna put it in. You just gotta put the clip on from the bottom. Make sure that goes on as intended. Okay, this might be hard. Okay, let me just do that and then I'll show you at the end. Alrighty. So we have it on, I have it clipped. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that little white thing has to come all the way down. Now we're gonna attach the hose. Hard to do with one hand, sorry. Okay, hose is attached. I'm gonna open the water up and we'll test it out. Alrighty. It's working. Voila. So I'm going to show it to you once it's fully filled and then drain it to show that it works. Alrighty, so the thing's working. We're just going to drain it. And as you can see, it's doing its job, filling the tank back up. And yeah, so I mean, I'm not sponsored by this company, obviously. But if you're in Canada, a $16-17 fix saves you hundreds of dollars from calling in a plumber, asking to help you out. Just very easy, maybe less than 10 minutes to do this yourself. Just once you're done, make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. But look, fill the tank up as it's supposed to, and yeah, we're in business. Alrighty guys, thanks.